going to play this game. Why won't it make me? Oh, there we go. We need to go back to Roblox. Oh, there we go. Let's go again. Oh my god, how am I a zombie? I will just practice. Where is the... Oh no, there is no Binks. Where do I kick? Oh no, there is binoculars. What is this? What the heck? Oh, it's just my iPad. And then let's go here. Let's go here. The slide and oh man, we cannot go in there, so let's just go in here. Then we go in here and then we jump. Yeah, like that. Now we go in here and now okay, maybe almost there. Oh my god, how do I go in here? Oh my god, I need to go to pee. I need to go pee with my poo-poo. I'm joking, guys. How do I poo-poo though? Alright, we are almost there. Now we got to crouches. There we go. Now we need to go in there. How do I stop crouching? Let's move like there and then boom. Oh man, we go in then now we have to go poo-poo. Where is the guy? I cannot know because he is so pro and I'm new. So I will just plop out of the land. Oh my god, I round complete. Yo boy, now let's get these gifts. I don't know what these gifts is for, but we should get it. Now how do we go out of here? Let's go out of here. How do we... Why is there more gifts? Now let's go in here. Oh no, this is a dead end. Let's go in here. Now let's go in here. Oh, there is a... Oh my god, guys, this is a dead end. How do I go out? Please help me. Oh my god, guys, I am present. Oh my god, guys, it's a crown. It's a crown. Oh my god, guys, I am so noob. Let's play another United tag game, but I am very pro. Yeah, and gang. Why will Roblox go on? Oh yay, let's do it. I just put the timer. No. Now let's play another game. Where do I go again? My yes. Oh my god, it's Rico. Let's go join it. It is very pro. That was just me sucking my finger. Now where is the game? Where is the bang? Sorry for waiting patiently. I will just reset in my iPad and then we should go. Guys, this game is not going to poop. I think I used it too much because I am an PP dick. United tag game, but again a recording. Oh yay boy. Oh my god, guys, I got screen record and it's officially 65 minutes long. I will just practice so I can PP. Oh, there is the crowd. I hope I will get it first. Oh no, I cannot get it, guys. Let's put the cameras in gear. Oh no, guys, there is no... Oh, there is the bug. So let's use... Oh guys, let's use Among Us Plus. Who's even Else Plus? Who's even Else Plus? What the skibidi gigi toilet? Let's use paint gear. There we go. I'm back to my normal cell. Yay, I am so pro. Oh my god, guys, this Bloxburg. I can finally get McDonald's like queso. Okay, so fat. Alright guys, let's just go in going gang. Oh my god guys, I got poo poo. Let's go hide the boat map. Let's just go in here. Then boogs. Now guys, let's just booger break. Oh no, guys, there is a chaser around me. Oh no, guys, I saw just a runners. I just saw a runner. I just saw something blank. How can I literally? Oh no, definitely no. Yay, too so full. Maki, yo, too slow. My Maki at a pika yo. Inarigiko. Yo. Oh my god, guys, it's an alien. Let's just tag him. There we go. We just tag him. Oh my god, guys, did I just see a zombie? But where did he go? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys, I made that hit. Oh my god. And let's just do this. Binks. Guys, let's do in this. Oh my god, guys, what is that? Let's just get out of the building and then do. How the hell? Yay, I just did it. Now let's just bangs. Thank you so much, sir. Bangs. Yay, bangs. Now guys, let's just bangs. There we go. Bangs. Oh no, guys, I got infected. Let's infect this guy. There we go. Let's infect this guy. Let's infect all AFK. Guys, I will just practice instead of playing the army. So let's just mix. Guys, I am low, but I have to end the video. Sorry, guys.